With no positivity, there is no hope. With no negativity, there is no improvement. Instead of worrying about what you cannot control, focus your energy on what you can create. I'd rather be partly great than entirely useless. A good leader inspires people to have confidence in the leader. A great leader inspires people to have confidence in themselves. Great achievement requires personal force, determined spirit, and self-confidence. Great achievement requires personal force, determined spirit, and self-confidence. Confidence is nothing when you are not the best. Joy, not sorrow, laughter, not tears, life, not death, love, not blame. I always see the crack in the glass before I see the window. I do not believe that true optimism can come about except through tragedy. A pessimist is a man who thinks everybody is as nasty as himself and hates them for it. The only way to be content in life is to make sure your need don't become great. Confidence is not achievement overnight. It can be achieved by learning from mistakes. It can be achieved by learning from experience. When you are still too young to share, optimism is a perfectly legitimate response to failure. Real confidence comes not from talking as you can, but from giving the best you can. You will die and we can create, why not a city? But if there is no one thing that deserves to be immortal, with knowledge. Confidence is your best accessory. Never leave home without it.